I don't know, some night sleeping in my tent again, it's always so re-energizing to get a whole night's sleep in the tent for some reason. I'm all packed up and ready to go. It's only about 8:30, maybe a little late for some people, but for me that's early. I'm gonna do as many miles as I can. I ate a lot last night and I feel really energized. So let's go. Supercharged, ready to go. It was nice to be able to camp again. It had been a couple of days. What a beautiful spot. Wow. I'm gonna miss it and remember it. And now I gotta get back on too and make some miles west. I thought the bugs were an afternoon, evening thing, but they're back. So I'm gonna put my mask back on. I'd be eating bugs non-stop if it wasn't for having a mask on. They just keep hitting my face, my glasses. No wind. It's gonna be a nice change. The lady in there said that her pasties are frozen. She had a lot of smoked fish, which I want to eat some, but not this early in the morning. And that there's a restaurant about 7 miles away ahead of me to get some coffee and eat some eggs maybe. That would be nice. This US 2 is a lot of fun to ride, but you have to be so paying attention every second. The traffic comes in like bunches from either direction, and sometimes they meet right where you're at in whatever location you happen to be at just by chance. And if they're coming in bundles on their own, like from ahead of me, I'm looking for cars passing because they're passing constantly. So I'm making sure I see the traffic ahead, and if somebody overshoots is passing and comes over the rubble strips onto me. And from behind, I keep an eye on my rear view mirror to see when those bundles come, and I make sure I'm way to the right of the shoulder here. haven't seen bicycle tours in a while, and here comes a pack of 4. It's been so long. I wish I could talk to them, but I'm just gonna be able to say hello. Hey guys! What a beautiful afternoon, evening. The wind died. I'm just cranking miles. Super mellow. The traffic went down. I think it's because it's Sunday afternoon. I'm just loving every second right now. It's 6:30 and about 83 miles. At mile 70 I could have stopped. There was a nice campground there, but it was just not time for me to stop today. It just feels so nice out. There's hardly any wind, if any. It's cool. The traffic is low. I got the giant shoulder. It's just phenomenal riding. Real easy grade. So I made it to this campground and there's nobody here except maybe a couple of RVs, pretty much empty, and it says $5 and just to throw it in the box. Seems a little off, but I'll check in the morning and see what's up with that. All right. There's not even any envelopes. All right, there's the $5. Let's go find a camping spot. Another amazing day. I can't believe I'm the only one here. I've got this whole place to myself with this kind of view. Is absolutely crazy. And I had a fantastic day cycling. 93 miles is my best day yet, and I felt it like way good. Like I could go on forever. Riding alongside Lake Michigan was outstanding. The scenery, it was a consistent dose of gorgeousness. And that's about it. I'm gonna enjoy this afternoon, get some food in me, and get some sleep and ride big time tomorrow. Southeast wind. I'm gonna have a tailwind, so tomorrow is gonna be another big day.